When it comes to top tier L1s or layer 1 solutions in the crypto space, Avalanche or AVAX is probably my favorite and my sleeper pick going into the rest of 2025. This is one of the few projects as well from a long term perspective where if you're looking at just from a price perspective, you're still getting in at bear market prices and technically speaking at 2021 bull market prices before the major impulse move, where we saw AVAX go from about $9 to over $130. And this has already happened in 2021. So if this wanted to happen again in 2025, the probability and the opportunity is there. At that exact same time, when you're looking at the move from 2023 to 2024 and you're watching this retracement and we push back up again to about 55 cents before we pulled back down, we're still sitting within the epic golden pocket and holding the 7860 on the Fibonacci retracement. This is extremely bullish and probably the best place to find a potential support hold. We're also confirming these longer term supports. We see a little support here and a support here as well. So the fact that we're confirming these range lows are extremely bullish. Once we can see volume start to inflow a little bit more on AVAX and pull to the top side, I would love to see this play up. And whenever this decides it does want to take an impulse move, once it wants to break this range high of about $65, we can easily see this push to about take profit 3, which is at about $122 because this dropped down to the 7860. And even if this wanted to test all-time highs, for example, we're still looking at from current price about a 658% move or a 7x move, give or take. So there is still plenty of room for growth. Which, by the way, if you want to come trade with me or get access to my trades, the academy, the community, our mobile app, everything is available at epictradingfloor.com. I'll tag it in the video in the description as well. If you use the link tagged in the video or the description, you'll also get 50% off your first month on top of the 3-day risk-free trial. To make all of this realistic as well, if you go to CoinGecko, you go to the top L1 solutions or layer 1 solutions, you'll see the big boys, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Solana, Cardano. And then at number 18 is AVAX. This is currently sitting at about an $8 billion market cap. I personally think that AVAX is a better solution than Cardano, and that alone can be a 3x move. And Cardano's current market cap is 25 billion, so if that's achievable, I think that AVAX can easily get to that number. And then if you want to take it a step further, when we actually get into the parabolic season, if AVAX wants to really come out as a front runner and really add a strong marketing campaign to back their ecosystem, we could potentially see this start to compete with a Solana or a Binance, and those are sitting at about a $65 billion market cap. So even if AVAX wanted to get to the current market cap of Solana, that's about an 8x move. And that's still reasonable and achievable because if we do go into a parabolic altcoin season, then these numbers are also going to go up exponentially as well. So let's say for example, if Solana wants to do a 4x move from here, it's going to be over $240 billion market cap. And if Cardano wanted to do that, that would be $100 billion, which would mean that even AVAX doing a 10x would put it at around an $80 billion market cap, which is still very achievable for a strong L1 solution. Like I said, I think that this can be in a top 5 conversation. If someone asked me my top 5 L1 solutions, it would be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Solana, and AVAX. And then that 6th spot would be a competition between Cardano and HBAR. So those are some of the reasons why I'm extremely bullish on AVAX going into 2025. We're just sitting around and waiting to see when this wants to take off or if it does want to take off. Mind you, none of this is financial advice. I'm not paid by the AVAX team in any way, and I am currently holding AVAX at the making of this video. I'll keep everyone up to date on this project as well. And if you want to learn more about AVAX, I do have this video that you can check out, which will give you a little bit more information on the AVAX ecosystem. So I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, and I'll see you on the next video.